So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 4 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic dignity of labor. So guys, this video will be about the concept of dignity of labor. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, in his teaching against idleness, Paul made reference to A. the tradition of the church, B. the early church, C. the Thessalonians, D. his personal experience. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C, the Thessalonians. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here, question number 2 says, now we command you, brethren, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, that you keep away from any brother who is living in idleness. The statement above was made to teach A. dignity of labor, B. Christian charity, C. justice, D. humility. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. dignity of labor. And that is for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So here is the next question, guys. Question number 3. It says, if anyone will not work, let him not eat. Paul implies that A. every person should toil and labor with his hands. B. the lazy person must eat only a little. C. every person should seek lucrative job. D. the unemployed should not eat. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. every person should toil and labor with his hands. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question, guys. So that's question number 4 here. It says, the core of St. Paul's advice on dignity of labor is that A. Christians must be productive. B. everyone should actively contribute to the social progress. C. the lazy people must be made to learn in the hardest way possible. D. Christians must work hard to actively support the church and themselves. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.